I want to share with you a vision that I had this morning, and I'm encouraging those of you that watch this video to please share this video because I'm trying to get to persons who are in Jamaica because this video is for that nation. I had a vision, and in this dream, I saw like I was in this house. It was very tiny, like a very small, tiny space. I could barely move, and I noticed that the door was closed and everything, but in the roof, there in the ceiling, there was a hole that was there. And as I'm observing through this hole in the ceiling, I saw what appeared to be some black rock descending from the sky and falling. It was falling upon people. It was falling upon houses. It was just falling. When I opened the door to go outside, I was surrounded by a flood. All I could see was just the ocean. It surrounded me. Too many wickedness that is happening in that nation alone.